Hi, welcome to Catrix. Today we'll make this example by Solidworks by using some features like post extrude and cut extrude. Also, we'll know how to edit the sketch after applying features. So let's start. First, I will choose plane that I will work on. Here I will choose front plane, and from origin I will choose a rectangle to make it from origin. And I will make circle. I will make line tangent to this circle from this edge. Another line from the other edge, its tangent. Yes, from the other tangent here. And I will choose trim. I will trim extra line. First I will delete this extra. I will draw a line here. It's not horizontal, so I will mark it and choose it as horizontal. Now I will add dimensions. This is 20. This line is parallel to the other horizontal line and collinear to each other. This is 30 millimeters and it's 55, and the small line is 15 millimeters. It's also 15 millimeters. Now I will go to feature and select post extrude. I will make it 10 millimeters. Then on this surface I will make a sketch. I will choose a rectangle 15 by 80 millimeters. It's 80. It's 15. I will go to feature and select post extrude, but to the other surface, up to surface, the other side, up to there, and OK. I think we should choose 15 to the other side. So here I will edit on the sketch. I will make it sketch. I will make it -15 and select OK. Exit sketch. I edit the sketch now. I will make a sketch on this surface. I will choose a rectangle. I will add dimension to this rectangle. It's 15 by 20 millimeters. And I will add its distance from this edge. It's 20. Then I will go to feature and select post extrude through all and OK. Now if I want to edit on this sketch, I will choose edit sketch and I will make 80 millimeters, 100 millimeters. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like it for daily videos and like the video. Bye.